Hello and welcome back to IAmMe, where today we're going to be looking at step 2 of the column subtraction method. I'm sure some of you are asking, why do we need a step 2? Unfortunately, not all equations are as straightforward as the ones we found on the first worksheet. Some require an extra step. Some require us to exchange from another column. Questions such as 462 subtract 237 need this extra step. Let's take a look together. Fortunately, step 2 is pretty much identical to step 1. So just like step 1, we put our place value columns down, our hundreds, our tens and our ones. Then we put our numbers in, 462 on top and 237 below, placing the subtraction symbol to the left to help us remember, and drawing a line beneath to represent where our answer will go.
So hurry up and tell me what has changed.
Okay, I get it. I'm boring you. I'll get on with the video. But only if you can tell me what do we do next. Yeah, you're right. We go to the ones column. 2 subtract 7. But can I take 7 away from 2?
No. Even if you wanted to give me 7 cubes, you only have 2.
Well, that's actually where you're wrong. I have 462 cubes. I only have 2 in the ones column, but I have 4 hundreds and 6 tens, and I can exchange tens, so I have more in the ones column. Here is 1 10, and now it's 10 ones. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, why does it help? It helps when we have a digit on top that is smaller than a digit on the bottom. When this happens, we have to go to the column to the left and take 1, just 1. Because that 1 represents 10 in your column. And this always is the case, because the column to the left is 10 times bigger and always is 10 times bigger. 10 is 10 times bigger than 1. 100 is 10 times bigger than 10. Do you see? So how does this help our method? Well, here we have 2 subtract 7. The 2, which is on top, is smaller than the 7, which is on the bottom. We can't take 7 away from 2. This means we must go to the column to the left and take just 1 from there, like so. We take this 1 and put it into our column, but this 1 is now 10 because that column was 10 times bigger. And now we have 10 and the 2 that was originally there. So 10 add 2 is 12, and that can have 7 subtracted from it. So 12, take away 7, 5, well done. Then we carry on just like we normally would. We move to the tens column. 5 subtract 3, 2. Hundreds column, 4 subtract 2, 2. And our answer is 225. So let's take a look at another one together. 683 subtract 392. They're both in the hundreds column. So let's put our place values down. Our hundreds, our tens and our ones. Placing 683 at the top, 392 beneath, and the subtraction symbol to the left, followed by the answer line. So let's begin. 3 subtract 2. 1. Moving to the left, the tens column. 8 subtract 9. Well, we can't take 9 away from 8 because 9 is bigger than 8. So we need to go to the column to the left and take 10. So in the column to the left is our hundreds, and we have 6 hundreds. If we take 1, that will create 10 in our tens column, like so. 6 becomes a 5, 1 gets carried over, and now we have the 10 and the 8. 10 add 8 is 18, subtract 9 gives us 9. And finally, our hundreds column. 5 subtract 3. We have 2. Leave our answer as 291.